Hello friends, this is the requested video. As you know, most of the users face repairing disk error problem while using laptop or desktop. User will see a screen called as repairing disk error. This might take over an hour to complete. The repair duration depends on the number of errors. So few user repairing disk error will be fixed automatically. But most of the users repairing disk error screen will be stuck for 10 hours or more. For those user, I have uploaded the repairing disk error problem fix for laptop as well as desktop. You can check those videos, link is in description. Few users will have important data, lot of old memory stored in the drive, C drive. They don't want to lose that data. For those users, I am uploading this video. First, let me tell you, if you are trying to fix that errors by watching my video, your hard drive, C drive or operating system drive data will be deleted. If you don't have multiple partition, if you have only single partition, in that partition itself you have installed operating system, then you might lose entire disk data. To save the data, then you need to follow this video. Users who have single partition, this video is very helpful to them. So let's begin. First, you have to remove hard drive from your CPU cabinet and you have to meet a person who has desktop. Along with the hard drive, you need a SATA cable. I have a hard disk which has a repairing disk error issue. Now I am going to boot this hard disk as a secondary storage with the help of SATA cable. Let's connect the hard disk. This is the first hard disk. By this hard disk we will boot the desktop and we will connect the second hard disk to this first hard disk. First connect red SATA cable to the board as shown in the video. Now connect that red SATA cable to the hard disk. Now connect the SMPS hard disk cable to the second hard disk. Now turn on the desktop. As you can see, now hard disk is connected and you can see all the partition are displayed. In this hard disk there are 4 partition. You might have single partition. It depends on your hard disk partition. If you have single partition, you can copy all the data you required, paste it in the first hard disk, and then after that by going into the disk management you can format that second hard disk which has repairing disk error problem. After formatting, you can create 4 partition. In that 4 partition, leave one single partition as empty and you can store all that copied data into 3 drives and leave one partition as empty to install OS. By this way you can copy all the important data and by this way you can save data loss from your hard disk. While formatting, be careful. Make sure you are formatting your drive, not your friend drive. If you have any other query, you can message me on Instagram. You can follow me on Instagram. Link is in description. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, you can subscribe my channel. And if you have any other issue, you can comment on the comment section. That's it in this video. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.